fiber of the wind.
Cruising slow on a sunlit street, leather seats where the cool cats meet. Bon Camino with
So far I got, the part she built, the part that we were trimming, I still have to trim a little bit more. And then today we have to definitely try to test a piece of sheet metal to the rod welder to see if it could actually work. I had a neighbor that said he would help me, but he took my number, called my phone, let it ring one time, and I guess phones don't recognize other phones calling you under one ring. So it has to ring at least 3 times before the phone recognizes the phone call received. And so I don't have his number saved, so I couldn't set up anything with him. Then the other welder guy, he keeps telling me how busy he is. So I'm just going to have to figure it out with the stick welder, and I'm not going to do a weld that everybody knows, and that's running nice little beads and stuff like that. But I'm not even, I'm less worried about the bead and warpage and stuff, because it's not something that you're going to see. This is not a part you're going to see. Once I put the fenders on, you won't see any of this. It just got to look decent. Good enough. So anyway, we're going to try to get it as close as I possibly can so I can be done with this thing. But I'm not in a rush, y'all. Let me tell you why. Because I am what you call broke. Yeah, broke.
we clean it up just to mess it again. It's spotless now, but chaos will win. Like and subscribe, Uncle Bones the man. For now it's clean, let the cycle begin.
I'm marking it so I can cut it, and I hope the line is straight. Yes.
How in the world are you cutting that with no arm protection? No sleeves?
Doesn't bother me.
The sparks aren't burning you. They feel like fire. Those are little fire trickles. Those are speckles of fire. Those are flames coming at you, little micro flames. If those were flames, those would be like embers, the little baby embers that start forest fires. And you're just letting them touch your skin for long periods of time. How are you doing that?
You get used to it.
Okay. No, you don't. No, look. Listen, you never get used to that. I don't know how she's doing that. She got superhuman skin. She's got that adamantium bones or something. I don't know. But I'd tell you this much. That's big boy stuff. Me and my boy was sitting there for like an hour trying to figure out who's going to deal with that. Okay, we should put the shield on. And then he's like tapping it in, shoot, with gloves on. And you're like, just manhandle it like it's nothing.
It's nothing.
You're different. You're
It's
different.
nothing to worry about.
You're a different kind
It's
of
a little
individual.
bit of a spark.
Yeah, but it's that continuously coming at you.
Yeah.
In a big flurry of sparkly goodness. And I say goodness, and I'm being condescending.
Yep. I just need to.
You the man. I'm gonna be honest. You the man. You the man. I'm just let you know. You the man. You the man. That sound effect's going in there if I can find it.
Let's measure it and figure out where it's at from there.
Okay. See, she got that. I was wondering, it was a knot there where she just cut. It was a piece that I couldn't break off. So, yeah.
One more piece. That's where it fits.
That's where it fits. Okay.
That's where it fits.
All right. So do we have to cut that portion that I was talking about, or no?
This year, I don't think we need to cut it. No.
Okay. So that what basically all we're doing now is find a way to drill the holes in there so we can put it in the Western. Okay.
Yeah. I would use these pre-holes that are already here.
Uh-huh.
So you can go ahead and iron the hammer.
Okay. Oh, she's different. She's all the way down. Do you see where the hammer's pointing? Okay, yeah, she's different. She's different. She's made out of steel. She's made out of steel, pure steel.
Now that fits there, and we can use this hole here and drill it into this hole. Sharpie. Hopefully it shows, and if not, I don't know what we're gonna do. It's up there like that. It's there like that. There's this hoe. And that hoe. Hopefully it marked. Woohoo! It marked. Here, get to drilling.
Okay.
That's
Okay.
your job.
Okay, cool. There's one done. I got mission complete. I got that done. Wait for the
Alright, so just got this all cleaned up around the edges. There and back here. Bare metal so that way it'll weld properly. I got both sides of this. Went ahead and cleaned that up. And now we're going to weld it in. That goes there. Bada bing, bada boom.
So I think I got this right. I don't know if I got this camera right. That's the problem. Hold on here for a second. All right, let me see if I got it right. Close enough, hopefully. Hopefully y'all getting some shot of this. All right, so I got the spray bottle, got the welder set up, and I'm about to try to do something I hope I can do. I haven't done stick welding in I think ever. I used a what's name welder before, so you know, just hope this works because the goal is just for me to get taxed. I don't have them. I'm trying to follow safety protocols. I got my gloves. Don't know how much they're gonna help or don't. And I have my spray bottle just in case of emergencies. Just in case I get some flams. Some flimmies. And yeah, let's go. I gotta plug it up and it's time to party. Hopefully. I set everything up properly. My hand on this side is big. If it does. So since I was showing most of my back and I didn't get all of that, let me just explain to you guys what happened. So she got that trim, right? So follow up, in the video, because, you know, she has stuff to do. She went out of her busy schedule to come help me out. Kind of want to cry. Let me stop. She trimmed that up. We grind. I did that. Yeah, I did something. So I grind that thing out and I drilled 2 holes into that. But she did everything. It's all ready. And then I was trying to tack. And the tacking didn't come out like I liked with the stick welder. So I'm going to try to play with it. I'm going to give me a piece of rusty metal and try to test the stick welder out before I get to playing with it. Because I'm not playing my life. Because you get to try to, the electrode gets stuck. You got to remember to turn that thing off. And if my dumb brain kick in, I'm not trying to play around with my life. So anyway, yeah, I got that part. And she would like to say something. So you guys, here.
I want to say that I'm grateful for being able to be here for the learning experience. I'm very happy to well, for me this is fun. So,
Okay, yeah, exactly. Just say that. Don't say learning because you're like teaching me stuff.
no, for me this is fun.
Yeah, you
I
figure-
love making stuff. For me it's art. Like just crafting it. Everything to me is art. Whether you're, like I said, you're painting, you're drawing, you're fabricating, you're sewing, you're working with your hands. It's art. You're using your mind. It's art. Okay, it's awesome. And anybody knows that.
Can you tell me about your YouTube channel again? Because I was honored that they said that, but then I was like, I don't want to take the credit for this. Like, this is my channel, so womp womp. But
No.
here's a bonus though. She has a YouTube channel.
Yeah. Okay.
And she does really cool projects. She's arts and crafts, anything, designing anything. Like if she find a car and somebody says build it, she'll build it.
Right.
Like she can do anything. My buddy has a project that I'm still trying to get him to approve so we can go and get started on that. She does a lot of stuff. She can make some copper wire turned into a scorpion. I don't even understand how that even makes sense, but it makes sense because that's what she can do. So you guys go to her channel. It's called Okana31. OKANA 31. And also you can look at
You
Sam.
can watch yourself watching yourself on the phone.
Oh yeah, that's dope. That's dope. Yeah, but check her channel out, and then you guys can you get to enjoy a lady doing cool stuff, and yeah. Because I wish I could take credit for my channel. Because I'd be like every week, hey, I need you to drive down all the way from where the hell you at to out here to shoot these videos for the week. Where you at? You got to show up. Come on now. But I don't have it like that. Because she did this out of the kindness of her heart. Because her gas money is very expensive. Anyway, y'all, thanks for watching. See you next time. And
many blessings to you.
all right. See, I like that. I'll be add that. No, I can't use that. That's hers. Trademark.